Good morning, welcome to our channel. So today is Saturday. It's a laundry reset day for us. So just finished work. Now we are heading out to do our laundry. So come along, let's go. In the car. So give on. Let's go. In the car. Let's get ready. Ooh. So as you can see, the okay. Let's go. Where's the other one? Oh, there. Let's go do our laundry. So kasi ala pang kangame ala mako ako mako fai mako yo mai. So we are going to the laundry that close to where we are. It's only 3-minute drive there. And it's located at the Clinton Shopping Center. That's our go-to laundry whenever we move to Rero. So it's not hot, not cold, but it's good. That's the laundry store. It's called Destiny. See there. Yeah, bye. So we're gonna make it gear. You know what she's gonna do. Oh god, what a big bag. Ooh, strong boy. Look at that. Here. Look at that. Hi.
Yes. Ja, cool coffee. Kango jij, mami. Ja. Ja, we gaan mee. Maar kalo, ya vai dia. Kalo, even maar ook kapot. Dat kapot ya. Ja, manena. Sorry.
So now it's set. Okay. And that's the price. So we wash our washing. It's $7 a cold wash. So yeah. It's the outside of the laundry. See, this girl is. Look at the weather. And that's our pulenoo. Wali mala.
Hello, sabo.
Yeah, see? So that's where the laundry store we always go to. Look at that. Guys, so it's right next to the Evelina restaurant where we bought the kikipua from. So there. Check it out, fam. If you are living in the area, don't forget to try that kikipua. It's 100 out of 10. See guys, so this is how the Kangamir for family of 4 looks like. There we're gonna try our Kangamir here today as well because the weather is not weathering. So go baby. Maya. Wait, fikar pulin mo. Ada nga kamikian yes.
Hi.
So yeah, you can see like they already paid this one. We haven't paid our dryer, so now we have to that laundry that dry thing that we are planning to dry our laundry, but it's already being set up. Someone was paid for the machine. Huh? What's that? So
I cancel this one.
okay.
And then you just do this one.
Okay. So should I have to take off my laundry and put it here or no?
No, you just do 27 and you pay for
Pay.
your one. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you. Oh yeah, so the thing is being solved. Probably the person was supposed to use the machine number 27, that one that we have our laundry in, as they paid the wrong machine, but they put their clothes in the 28. So now I asked them, otherwise we're gonna dry our laundry with for free. So that's a small installment. Hey.
Voila.
So look at that, everything is here. Plenty to keep up. This is the India store that we usually come to and grab our snacks. So see, beautiful. Yeah, look at Maya. You can see no one's, like few people are still here in the shopping center. It's the good time for us to come and do our laundry and a small shopping, because whenever these two are involved, so we always have to buy something ever. Yeah. So now we're heading up to buy some, I don't know what we're gonna buy. That's Mr. Meat shop. So this is where you're gonna buy breadfruit and tofu, cassava as well. So get it in, guys, and buy yours for you and your. And see, now we meet some of our friends here, and they gifted Maya $20. Here we are now. We're going to the Evelina. So Maya wanted to buy some from the money that his van was gifted to him today. So let's see what he wanted to buy. Hello, me pakawa Maya. Yeke po amat pang yeke yeba. So this is one of the some restaurant. So this is called Evelina restaurant, and Maya wanted to buy kepe kuah and pancake. So this one is best pancake that we gave for us. It feels like you having a taste of the salmon pancake. Not only pancake, they also sell taro. So you can see the ulbuaa. Look at that. So yum. So yeah. Maya. Yes, Maya's ready to buy baby's shopping. Oi, very cool pamalo. So he's gonna have a kikipua and a pancake from the Evelina restaurant. So if you are around the area, don't forget to drop by and have a bite. Support our local community. He ordered more than what he had. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Wow, Mala. Yay! Yeah. Guys, so that's the Evelina restaurant. It's a Polynesian shop. So it's open 7 days a week. Check it out, guys. Now we are finally home. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.